Alright y'all, I'm back. The watermelon I talked about pulling this morning, we decided to go ahead and harvest that thing. But before we go ahead and slice it open, let's see how much she weighs. I actually ended up cutting two. This is the one that was in the backside over by the fence. And of course this is the one that we talked about a few times, and especially this morning. So let's see how much you weigh before we slice it open. Almost 9.5 pounds. Y'all can see that. Yeah, y'all can see it. 9.5 pounds almost. A little bit shy of 9.5. This one is a little bit shy of 7 pounds. All right, so let's move the scale out the way. Cut it open to see how it turned out. I don't know which is which. I don't know whether this is Jubilee or a Crimson Sweet. Again, like that side there, y'all see this? The melon is still good on the inside. You just go ahead and whack that side off if you want to, which I will do. See that? Pretty. Ready to be eaten. Same thing on this side. There we go. Do the same thing with her. So anyway, let me see. According to the size of these seeds, I'm assuming that this is a Jubilee. I could be wrong. I'll check it and I'll fact check it for y'all and let y'all know later on. Same thing here. Could be Jubilee. Again, I'll fact check that and let y'all know. So anyway, that's how it turned out. We can't really expect these melons to turn out to be as big as you guys used to seeing these watermelons. And the reason why, because we are growing organically. None of that fertilizer or all the other things that they use in order to enhance the growth and the rate of growth of the actual watermelon. So this is our turnout. We got one that's a little bit shy of 10 pounds and one that's a little bit shy of 7 pounds. Anyway, so I'll tell you what, let's do a taste test here of both of them before I let y'all go. Now y'all can't see me, but the expression on my face is like, wow. Do the same thing here. Just as I thought, the best I ever had. Round of applause for our nice melons. Well, anyway, like I say, thank you guys for joining me. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Happy Sabbath.